So today we are going to do something else. Well, before we even get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. So it is Black History Month, and today we are going to do something a little different. We are going to be making a drink based on a Black History fact that I learned. So this right here is a mini bottle of Jack Daniel. And so one thing that I learned is that Jack Daniel actually learned his recipe from a slave named Nathan Nearest Green, nicknamed Uncle Nearest. So basically he taught Jack Daniel this ancient African filtration technique in order to get the whiskey to taste like how it tastes. There's actually a liquor brand called Uncle Nearest. I was unable to obtain that liquor, and so instead we are going to be using Jack Daniel, which is, you know, he got the recipe from Nathan Nearest Green. So let's get started.
Okay, so first we're going to fill our mason jar with glass. I spilled some ice, but you know, dropped the ice right back in there. All right, let's keep it going. So next we are going to add our Jack Daniel honey, 1.5 ounces. So there goes the ounce, and there goes the ½ ounce of Jack Daniel honey. Next, we are going to add our lemonade, Simply Lemonade, 1.5 ounces of that, or the same ratio of Jack Daniel honey, whichever ratio you make. Next, we are going to add our homemade sweet tea. We are going to fill the glass the rest of the way with that sweet tea because it's Tennessee tea and it needs more tea than anything else. Then we are going to add our mint sprig for decoration, and you can kind of push the mint in. Then we're going to add our lemon garnish, and finally our straw. And there goes our Tennessee tea.